Emergence of modernity in Europe. Modernity has been derived from the Latin word modos, which means thinking new and different. It is not fixed but is context specific. Anything modern today become a part of tradition later and is different from tradition. Departure from existing social condition. Modernity is defined as the condition of social existence that is significantly different from past forms of human experiences. It is associated with the sweeping changes that took place in society, particularly social, economic, political and cultural changes. Modernity is the outcome of the process of modernization, which is defined as the transitional process of moving from traditional rural, religious, agrarian society to a modern urban, secular and industrial society. Modernization primarily depends upon technology development, and its consequences are felt on socio-economic and political spheres. However, modernity in sociology is defined as the period in Europe which involved a series of rapid social, economic, political and economic changes that were taking place in the mid-17th to mid-20th century. These included industrialization, capitalism, urbanization, development of democratic republic, political institution and a period of belief in progress through science. It is referred as the Great Time of Upheaval. Daniel Lerner refers to modernization as the current term for an old process of social change whereby less developed societies acquire the characteristics common to more developed countries. However, an ethnocentric view. Modernity features industrialization. The Industrial Revolution began around 1760 AD in England. It brought about great changes in the social and economic life of the people, first in England, then in the other countries of Europe and later in other continents. Features include mass scale of production, mechanization of production, assembly line, rapid growth of industries. New inventions were made, and one of the significant mechanical inventions which led to a quicker and better method of production in various industries was the spinning jenny, invented in 1767 by James Hargreaves, an English weaver. Capitalism. New economic system whose main motive is to maximize profit and means of production were privately owned. As capitalism became more and more complex, the developments of banks, insurance companies, and finance corporations took place. New class of industrial workers, managers, capitalists emerged. Urbanization. It is defined as the growth of cities and towns due to Europe being emerging as trading center. Mercantilism. The growth of trade resulted in the growth of demand and thus propelled the industrial growth. The infrastructure development took place at a fast pace during this period. Standard of living of the people raised due to this process. Industrialization mobilized the labor force from the rural areas to migrate to urban centers for employment and thus further propelling the demand for goods and increasing industrial growth. Democratic political institutions. Development of nation-states which had a defined political boundary. Sovereignty of people. Fundamental rights. Elected government. Growth of administrative institutions like Bank of England. Scientific progress. In the medieval period, the church was the epicenter of power, authority and learning. Learning was mostly of the religious variety. Nothing could challenge the dogmas or rigid beliefs of the church. The Renaissance period was associated with the debunking of the myths and tradition and development of new thought processes. It refers to a belief that any society's progress lies in scientific truth and scientific development, which means an approach that is based on empirical understanding of truth. Empiricism is defined as an approach which is based on fact and observation, where intangible things like emotions are not taken into consideration. Here, scientific knowledge was used to conduct such development of humans, which resulted in multiple inventions. Scientific revolution. Various inventions took place in different fields during this period like visual art, medicine, chemistry, navigation and astronomy. The Copernican revolution was the most significant as it challenged the geocentric theory of the Church and proposed the heliocentric theory. Similarly, in the field of biology and evolution, the British naturalist Charles Darwin (1809–1882) published The Origin of Species in 1859. Darwin's evolutionary theory did, however, gain wide acceptance. It was applied to the social world by evolutionary thinkers, notably Herbert Spencer. Not just organisms, but societies were seen as constantly evolving or developing from a lower to a higher stage. Social changes. Nuclearization of families. Rise of new classes. By the end of the 17th century, the middle class had become an influential group in nearly every Western European country. It included merchants, bankers, shipowners and investors. Thus Europe charted new areas for economic expansion. The whole world had become Europe's oyster. Comparison of pre-modern and modern European society. Pre-modern society. Land was central to economic system, meaning that it was dominantly an agrarian society. Family and kinship was central to individual's life. Feudalism, lord and serf relationship and the three-estate system whereby one section or estate is distinguished from the other in terms of status, privileges and restrictions accorded to that estate. Religion dictated morality of society. Monarchy was firmly rooted in society and dictated the laws and rules in the society. Modern society. Transition from agrarian to an economy was seen. Industrial. Commitment towards ideology became stronger than commitment towards family, which led to development of nuclear families. Capitalism developed in place of feudalism with emergence of new classes, i.e. bourgeoisie, rich and proletariat, working class. Religion lost its significance and dogmas were challenged by people. Monarchy was challenged and overthrown with its replacement institutions, towards democratic political institutions.